Welcome to this channel, and this video is about how to create and post TikTok stories. Now, before we start, if you want to grow and succeed on TikTok and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos. Let's now see how to create and post stories on TikTok. And the first thing is to come below here and click this plus button. And on this recording screen, you need to choose this quick option below here. These other options, camera and templates, can also create a story, but it is recommended to use the quick option, which has this red button and stars. You can also click this plus button on your profile picture to create a story, or open the already uploaded story shown by this blue ring and click this camera icon on this bottom right corner and start creating a new story. In addition, you can go to someone else's story and click this story button to start creating your story. Now, on this recording screen, you can choose to create a photo or a video story. And like in creating TikTok videos, you can use effects to create a story or upload photos or videos to create a story. And on this right hand side, you can flip from the front to the rear camera, turn the camera flash on or off, set your story's speed, add some filters, beautify your story, time your recording, and also use comments and questions to make a story. And above here, you can add some sounds or music when creating your story. And you can always cancel everything or go back to start afresh. Now, after recording or uploading your story, you can still add some sounds or music above here. You can also add text, stickers, effects, and more filters. In addition, you can adjust your clips, add voice effects and voiceover, and change the story's privacy settings. And after all these, you need to come below here and click this button, post to story, and your story will be posted on TikTok. And if you instead click this next button, you can go on to post your story as a normal TikTok video. And to delete your story, you need to go to your profile, open your story, then click these three dots and delete your story from there. You can also change the story's privacy settings, and you can also save it on your device. Now, if you find this video helpful, click the like button below and subscribe to this channel for more videos.